Are you looking to expand your business through WhatsApp? Setting up WhatsApp Business on your mobile is a great way to connect with customers and manage your business communications. In this video, I'll show you how to set up WhatsApp Business quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Download and install WhatsApp Business. To get started, you'll need to download the WhatsApp Business app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Search for WhatsApp Business. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once installed, open WhatsApp Business. Solution 2. Register your phone number. Open WhatsApp Business. Tap Agree and Continue. Open your business phone number. You can use your existing WhatsApp number, but you'll need to transfer it to WhatsApp Business. It will be convenient to use a different number. Verify your number by entering the verification code sent via SMS. Solution 3. Create your business profile. Upload a profile picture that represents your brand. To do this, tap on Picture icon, select Gallery. Choose the picture you want to have as a brand. Then click Done. After that, enter your business name. Then select the category of your business. Fill in other details like business, address, email, and website. Solution 4. Configure messaging tools. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings by tapping on the three-dot icon. Tap on Business Tools. Go to Away Message. Toggle Send Away Message. Now WhatsApp will automatically reply to your customers when you are away. And that's how you can set up WhatsApp Business on your mobile. Now you're ready to start managing customer communications and growing your business efficiently. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips and using tech tools for business success. See you in the next video.